Hi, this is Shankar. I'm going to teach mathematics. This video is useful for upper primary and high school students especially. My topic is Pythagoras theorem proof. Here Pythagoras theorem proof means here I'm taking to right angle triangle. Here AC is a hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Here right angle at B. Here hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Side square plus side square. Here this BC unit is I'm taking to small a. Here this is BA means or AB. B units. This is the C units. This is the C units. Here what will happen means according to this theorem, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here hypotenuse means here C square is equal to, here BC means one side A square plus the rest of the one is B square. Here C square is equal to AB square, A square plus B square. Here A square plus B square also C square we are going to write it, means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Now we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem. Here I am taking two right angle triangles, four right angle triangles. These four right angle triangles I am going to arrange one big square. Big square. Here this is a big square. Here the first one is first right angle triangle, second, third, fourth. Here this side is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C units. A, B, C units. A, B, C unit. This is the longest side, this is the base, this is a perpendicular side. Here this triangle, this means here B at 90 degrees. Perpendicular means here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. All the right angle triangles I am going to arrange within the square. Within the square. These right angle triangles I am going to arrange here, and this one also I am going to arrange this. This one also I am going to arrange. This one also I am going to arrange. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. 4 right angles. This is B, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, this side A, B, this is A. Here this big square means this is a big square. Here AB side means A plus B. Here this side is called as A plus B. This side also called as A plus B. Big square. This is a big square. This is the big square side is A plus B. Area of the big square means A plus B whole square. Now I am going to consider big square area is equal to inside of the square area we are going to equate. We are going to equate. Here this is what? This side is C, this side is C, this side is C, this side is C. Here inside the square 1, 2, 3, 4 right angle area plus 1 is small square area. Small square area. Here big square area is equal to, this is big square area is equal to inside of the square means 4 right angle area plus 1 small square area we are going to equate. Then after we are going to prove hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square we are going to prove. Here I am taking big square means here I am going to take it, big square means here A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square means this is the big square side is A plus B. This area is side into side means A plus B whole square is equal to, here 4 right angles area means 4 into, right angle area means half into B into H means here A into B. Here A into B. Here what will happen, the rest of the one, this is a small square means side is C. Area means C square. This is a C square. Here I am going to expand A plus B whole square means A square plus B square, A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are here. 2 into A into B means 2AB here. 2AB plus this is the rest of the C square. Here right side left side 2AB is there. Suppose I am taking to, this is a right side value, taking to left side means it will get the negative sign. That's why directly I am getting cancel. Here the rest of the part is A square plus B square is equal to C square means hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is the Pythagoras theorem proof. Means here main intention is big square area is equal to inside of the square area means 4 1 2 3 4 right angles area plus this is a small square area. We are going to equate then we will get this one, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.